That's why we're always been talking. Kaya pinapatawag ko kayo palagi. Diba? Not just sharing our accomplishments, not just sharing our programs, our activities. Also, talking to you, inaalam namin kung interested ba kayo, okay? Sasabihin niyo sa amin. And kung meron naman kaming dapat i-download sa inyo, dinadownload din namin. As for this time naman, nakikita natin wala naman tayo nababalidate pa na threats on media personalities. Kasi katulad ni Apo Dawan na napakabait naman niya. Sino naman ang mag-threat sa kanya? Siguro yung misis lang niya na mag-threat sa kanya. Ay, binata ka pa pala. Ayan. So, well, coming from the national headquarters, Lumis has always been our partner in doing public service. Kayo yung partner namin. Sometimes, you become our best partners. And sometimes, pag hindi naman is, you become our worst enemy. Doon sa tingin ko naman dito, we are always being our partners. Ayan. So, pasalamat naman ako doon. Si Lester lang naman din talaga ang aking naalala.
Yung mga ano natin, sir, mga mayors, yung politiko, na-recall na ba lahat yung mga yung mga police security nila? Wala na bang?
Wala naman tayong, actually wala naman tayong mga security extras. The only unit who gives ating mga VIP security is the PSPG. Yan lang po ang authorized. Now, there are times when, of course, may mga lakad sila dito sa province. Of course, yung ating mga kapulisan ay makikita mo na sumasama rin sila doon sa mga lakad na yun. That's because they're also doing, in some way or another, they are also doing the patrolling and visitation of critical infrastructure being built in certain localities.
Sir, lastly, maybe award also gold medal award on the air for Captain Jenny Ringan for a success operation.
Yeah.
Because of all chief of police along the coastal areas, she delivered the first of our campaign against.
Kaya palakpakan natin siya. Of all the male COPs, siya yung unang
Ano yung reaction ng mayor, sir, ng police at order niya sa inyo, sir? Ma'am.
Bali, upon receipt po sa info namin is si Mayor po is pumunta agad si Wilson. I-offered po kung ano yung possible matulong po ng LGU doon sa na-recover po na item. So, i-promise naman po na kung ano yung naging gaganda yung pagka-recover doon and most especially po doon sa Fisher po po natin na naka-recover.
Okay. Sir,